Good morning guys. Dito ngayon tayo sa Gillinger, Norway. Today is August 10, 2024. Ayan. Tendering operation tayo. Mamaya magja-duty tayo dyan. Yan yung tender namin. Ayan. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng mountain dito. Ang tataas. Tulad nito sa tapat ko ngayon. Yan. Sobrang laki. Sobrang taas. Alagang alaga. Muli guys, dito sa Gillinger, Norway, August 10, 2024.
It's snow.
It's snow. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you see snow from where you come from?
From Philippines, yeah.
You have snow in the Philippines?
No, there's no.
No, I was
Yeah.
going to say.
Only here, only.
Only here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's impressive up there.
Yes. Ang guys, napakataas ng mga mountain dito sa Gillinger, Norway. Grabe. Yan ang tender papunta dun sa town ng Gillinger, Norway. Okay guys, maraming salamat at follow na lang po tayo. Follow and share and subscribe po dito sa Stephen Toto Adventure. Thank you.